Before you work with us, we want you to see exactly how we think, how we organize, and how we turn ideas into action. No mystery, no black box, no trust us, we do AI stuff bullshit. If you're thinking about working with us, you should understand the process before you ever become a client. We start with Miro, and yes, Miro is an online whiteboard, but for us, it's way more than that. Miro becomes the interface between your ideas, your team, our team, the project, the progress, and the execution plan. It's where the messy business gets turned into a visual operating system because most businesses don't have an idea problem. They have an organization problem. Ideas are in emails, tasks are in texts, client notes are in random documents. Processes are trapped in someone's head. Follow up is scattered across inboxes, sticky notes, Slack messages, screenshots, and that one spreadsheet nobody wants to open because it feels like it was built during a hostage situation. That's where projects go to die. So instead of letting everything stay scattered, we bring it into one visual space. We use Miro to whiteboard, brainstorm, build mind maps, wireframe, map workflows, organize strategy, track progress, and turn ideas into executable action plans. This is not corporate arts and crafts. This is not throwing sticky notes on a screen and pretending we had a breakthrough. This is how we make the business visible. And once we can see it, we can fix it. Our process is built around two outcomes: maximize labor, optimize sales. When we say maximize labor, we are not talking about cutting staff. We're talking about getting more value from the people, time, knowledge, and resources you're already paying for. How do we help your team move faster? How do we reduce confusion? How do we clean up handoffs? How do we turn repeated work into systems? How do we give staff better scripts, better tools, better visibility, and better support? Your team should not be running around like human duct tape trying to hold the business together while everyone says, yeah, it's just been a busy week. No, that's not a busy week. That's a broken process wearing sneakers. The goal is to give your people leverage, better systems, better workflows, better communication, better follow up, better tools, less guessing, less chasing, less repetitive crap, more valuable work. That's maximizing labor. The second outcome is optimize sales. And that does not just mean get more leads. Everybody wants more leads. That's like saying you want more money, better abs, and fewer emails that start with just checking in. No shit. More leads are great, but more bad leads just gives your team more bad conversations. That's not growth. That's cardio for your CRM. Optimizing sales means improving the full revenue path: outreach, lead quality, lead flow, follow up, conversion, repeat clients, reviews, referrals. We want to understand how a stranger becomes a lead, how a lead becomes a customer, how a customer becomes a repeat customer, and how a happy customer becomes a referral source. That is the path we map inside Miro. For a home services business, we may map missed calls, dispatch delays, scheduling, estimate follow up, technician handoffs, customer updates, and review requests. Because missed calls are not just missed calls, they are money knocking on the damn door while your business is in the bathroom with AirPods in. For a dental office, we may map the patient journey from new patient inquiry to booking to reminders to visit to treatment plan to recall to reviews and referrals. Then we look at front desk scripts, patient FAQs, reminder automation, treatment follow up, reactivation, and referral systems. For a med spa, we may map consultations, treatment plans, memberships, follow up, before and after content, reviews, and referrals. A happy med spa client should not just leave glowing. They should leave glowing and telling three friends where the hell the magic happened. For a real estate team, we may map Zillow leads, referrals, social media, website leads, and past clients. Then we map the pipeline from new lead to qualification to consultation to showings to offer to close to post close follow up and referrals. Because if you follow up with a real estate lead 3 days later, congratulations, they already bought a house, adopted a dog, named it escrow, and forgot your damn name. For a fitness studio, law firm, restaurant, auto detail shop, solar company, roofing company, agency, or consulting business, the process is the same. We map the customer journey. We find the bottlenecks. We identify the missed opportunities. Then we build the first system that creates the most leverage. This is why Miro matters. It is more than a whiteboard. It is more than wireframing. It is the collaborative workspace where we brainstorm, map, prioritize, build, track, explain, and execute. The client sees what we see. The team sees what matters. The project has a visual home. Nobody has to ask, wait, where are we on this? Because the board tells the story. And if the board does not tell the story, that usually means the project is living in someone's inbox, which is basically a digital junk drawer with anxiety. Here's the actual process. First, we map what is happening now. We look at your team, your tools, your customer journey, your sales process, your bottlenecks, and your missed opportunities. Second, we identify labor multipliers. These are places where your existing team can become more effective through scripts, templates, workflows, automation, AI support, training, or better handoffs. Third, we identify sales optimization opportunities. These are places where outreach, lead quality, lead flow, follow up, conversion, repeat business, reviews, or referrals can be improved. Fourth, we choose the first system to build. We do not try to fix everything at once. Trying to fix everything at once is how businesses end up with 19 tools, 40 passwords, 11 abandoned dashboards, and a team that quietly hates the word implementation. We choose the system that creates the most leverage first, not the fanciest system, the most useful system. Because fancy is cute, useful pays the bills. Nobody gives a damn how pretty your dashboard is if your best leads are rotting in voicemail. Fifth, we turn it into a 30-day sprint. Week one is mapping. We document the current process, identify the biggest bottlenecks, and decide what needs to be built first. Week two is building. We create the first high leverage system. That might be a CRM pipeline, missed call text back, follow up automation, AI assistant, onboarding workflow, review system, referral system, wireframe, offer map, or reactivation campaign. Week three is testing. We run real scenarios before customers depend on it. New lead, missed call, quote follow up, appointment booking, customer handoff, review request, repeat customer offer. Because we'll figure it out live is great for karaoke, not operations. Week four is launch and improvement. We train the team, launch the system, measure results, and improve what needs to be improved. We track response speed, appointments booked, close rate, repeat clients, reviews, referrals, revenue increase, time saved, team consistency, and project progress. The point is not to create another pretty diagram. The point is to create a working system, something your business can actually use, something your team understands, something that improves how leads are handled, how customers are served, how follow-up happens, how projects move forward, and how revenue gets created. If you work with us, this is the process: transparent, visual, collaborative, action-focused, no black box, no confusing tech theater, no pretending arrows on a chart are a business model. Just a clear map, a smarter system, and a practical plan to help your business maximize labor, optimize sales, and turn more opportunities into measurable growth. That is what we build in Miro, and that is how we move from ideas to execution, because the best businesses are not just busy. They are clear, they are organized, they follow up fast, they use their team better, they execute visually, and they turn happy customers into growth. That's the difference between building a real business system and babysitting chaos with a business license.